Now, did I or did I not do vaginal juices?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Name 2 ways of getting them flowing, Watson.
Rubbing the clitoris, sir?
What's wrong with a kiss, boy? Why not start her off with a nice kiss? You don't have to go leaping straight for the clitoris like a bull at a gate. Give her a kiss, boy.
Suck the nipple, sir.
Good, good. Well done, Wymer.
Striking the thigh, sir.
Yes, yes, I suppose so.
Marching the neck.
Yes, good. Nibbling the earlobe, kneading the buttocks, and so on and so forth. So we have all these possibilities before we stampede towards the clitoris, Watson.
Yes, sir. Sorry, sir.
Now, all these forms of stimulation can now take place. And of course, tonguing will give you the best idea of how the juices are coming along. Helen? Now, penetration and coitus, that is to say, intercourse up to and including orgasm. Ah, hello, dear. Do stand up. My wife enters the room, Carter.
Oh, sorry, sir. Sorry.
Humphrey, I hope you don't mind, but I told the Garfields we would dine with them tonight.
Yes, yes, well, I suppose we must.
Well, I said we'd be there by 8.
Well, at least it'll give me a reason to wind up the staff meeting.
Well, I know you don't like them, but I couldn't make another excuse.
Well, it's just that I felt... Wymer! This is for your benefit. Would you kindly wake up? I've no intention of going through this all again. We'll take the foreplay as read, if you don't mind it.
No, of course not, Humphrey.
So, the man starts by entering or mounting his good lady wife in the standard way. The penis is now, as you will observe, more or less fully erect. There we are. Ah, that's better. Now, Carter,
Yes, sir?
what is it?
It's an ocarina, sir.
Bring it up here. The man now starts making thrusting movements with his pelvic area, moving the penis up and down inside the vagina. So put it there, boy. Put it there on the table. While the wife maximizes her clitoral stimulation by the shaft of the penis by pushing forward. Thank you, dear. Now, as the sexual excitement mounts... What's funny, Biggs?
Oh, nothing, sir.
Oh, do please share your little joke with the rest of us. I mean, obviously something frightfully funny is going on.
No, honestly, sir.
Well, as it's so funny, I think you better be selected to play for the boys' team in the rugby match against the Masters this afternoon.
Oh, no, sir.